of condensed glue gel, not too thick, not too thin, to cover it completely, because if you, just in case you want to do all the crystal around, like this is so cute though. You can definitely crystal up that flame, but I am going to just do a little bit on the cuticle area just to give a little bit of a sparkle, but I'm not going to cover that super cute like hollow of flames. All right, close the lid. How's everyone doing today? Happy Thursday. Couldn't believe this is Thursday. We have been so busy, and thank you so much for amazing love and support. Thank you. All right, so I can use it. So here is the little mix bags that I got it from the sub box. I'm gonna add it on. It's got a little crystals, but not to cover everything I have. So I'm gonna just do a little right here. And then little beads from the flowers I got. The flowers, baby meat jars. Today's gonna be super adorable, cute, simple. And then this is cute. You can do it with shorter nails if you're like getting your box and you're doing for your clients who has short nails. You can definitely have fun with this because there's a lot of different designs. I mean the different, here, let me show you the sheet though. And like a lot of pieces of the flames. So for the short nail, for long nails, put a couple crystal there. I mean beads there between the crystal and crystals. And then if you're happy with this, we're going to cure for 60 seconds. Take it down a little bit. All right, cure.